Hi everyone, in this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to unhide or unlock hidden chats on WhatsApp in just a few simple steps. First, open the WhatsApp app on your iPhone or Android. If you've locked a chat, just swipe down and tap on Locked Chats at the top. Use your Face ID or Fingerprint to unlock, then tap and hold the conversation and tap on three dots in the top right corner. Then choose Unlock Chat. That will bring it back to your normal chat list. But if you've also hidden your locked chats with a secret code, here's what to do. Go to the search bar at the top and type in your secret code. Once you enter it, the hidden chats will appear. Tap on them, tap on the three dots and then tap on the chat lock setting. Now tap on secret code and turn it off. Then, tap and hold the conversation again and choose Unlock Chat. And that's it. Your hidden or locked chats are now back in your normal feed, and you can access them like any other conversation. If this video helped, like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quick tech tips. See you in the next video.